Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to find the inverse of a matrix. So let us start the problem. Use elementary operations to find an inverse where A is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2. So here this matrix is given to us. We have to find the inverse of this matrix. We have A is equal to IA, where I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix. This implies 1, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2. So this is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity matrix into A. So now our aim is to convert this one identity matrix applying elementary operations. So let us start first. Replace R2 by R2 minus R1 and R3 by R3 minus R1. So if we replace, we will get this. The first row will remain as such, there will be no change. Row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 0, 1. This is 0, this is minus 1 plus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. Similarly, on the right side, the first row will remain as such. This is 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus, here this. Row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 1. 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1. This is A. Here 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 0, 2. So we have, what we have done here, row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 1. This is 1 minus 1, we are getting 0. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. This is 1 minus 0. This is 1. Again, row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 2 minus 0, 2. So the first row will remain same in the right hand side. This is 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. So now, this implies, let us apply row 3 replaced by row 3 by 2. So that we will get the first row as such, 1, 1, 0. This is 0 minus 2, 1. This is 0 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. This is 1. And this equals to first row will remain as such. Second one also will remain as such. This will be minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Here After applying row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1, row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1, our aim is to bring 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So that automatically this side the matrix will be changed and we will get the inverse of the matrix. Then we are replacing row 3 by 2. Then we get 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 3. Now replacing row 2 by row 2 minus row 3, so we'll get first row remains same, second row will be replaced by row 3 minus row 2, this will be 0, this will be minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, and the third row will remain same. This side the first row will remain as such, second row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 3. The minus 1 minus half, this is minus 1 minus half plus half, that is minus half, this is 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus half we are getting, and the third row will remain as such, so there will be no change at all. Here we have applied row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 3. Now if we observe this determinant, yes, here A will be there. Now let us replace row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus row 2. So this gives us, this is 1 plus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 plus. And the second row, third row will remain as such, there will be no change, because here row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus row 2. This gives us this equals to 1 0 0, sorry, row 1 will be replaced by row 1 plus row 2. So this will be minus 1 plus minus half, 1 by half. This is 1, this is minus half. This is minus half, 1 minus half. The last one will be minus half, 0 half. So we'll get this. Now row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 2. Row 3 will be replaced by row 3 minus row 2. So it will give you 1 0 0, 0 minus 1 0. Row 3 will be replaced by row 3 minus row 2. 0 minus 0. This is minus 1 plus 1 0. 1 minus 0 1. We are getting this. This equals to, the first row will remain as such, the second row is also will remain as such, the third row will be changed because row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 2. Minus half, this is minus of minus half, plus half 0. 0 minus 1 we are getting. Half minus of minus 1 plus 1 we are getting here. So this matrix we are getting now. To do, so here let us replace row 2 by minus row 2. Row 2 replaced minus row 2. So this gives us 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. So we are getting the unit matrix in the left side. This is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2. And this is 0 minus 1 1 and a. So if we multiply, this will be minus 1 actually. Okay, so we get A inverse is equal to half 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2, 0 minus 1, 1. So we are getting A inverse, and this is the process by which you can use elementary operation in order to find the inverse of a matrix. Now let us solve the problem. Find A inverse where A is equal to given this much. So what we have to do here? Here first of all let us find determinant of A. Here determinant of A is equal to 1 1 0, 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 2. So this gives you 1 minus 2 plus 1. This is minus 1, 1 1 1 2, then 0. So which is equals to minus 1. This is minus of 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus 2, not is equal to 0. So A inverse exists. That means we can find A inverse because determinant of A is not is equal to 0. Now let us find the cofactor of each element. Here A11 minus 1 to the power 1 1, cofactor of 1. This is minus 1 1 minus 1 2. So this is equals to, this is 1, this is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Then A12 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, cofactor of this element. So we forget about the row and column containing that element. Then we get 1 1 1 2. So this is minus of 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 again. A13. So this is equals to cofactor of this element minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. This is positive. This is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, which is equals to minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we are getting the cofactor of first row 1 1 0, and this is minus 1 minus 1 0. Then A21 cofactor of this element is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. So we should forget about this, this row, second row and first column. So we get 1 0 minus 1 2. So this is minus of 2 minus 0 is equal to minus 2. Then A22 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. The middle element, we should forget about this. 1 0 1 2, which is equals to, this is plus, this is 2. Then A23. A23 will be, that means minor of cofactor of this element. So this will be 1 1 1 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, and this will be 1 1 1 minus 1. This is minus of minus 1 minus 1, that is 2. So we are getting it is 2. Then A31. We have to find the cofactor of a third row now. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. This is 1, 0, minus 1, 1. So this will be plus. This is 1. Then A32, cofactor of this element. It will be minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2. 1, 0, 1, 1. So this will be minus 1. Then cofactor of A33 we have to find. So that is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. This is 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So it will be plus, this is minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So we are getting the cofactor of first row, second row, third row. Then cofactor of matrix A is A 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So the values will put minus 1, 0. Then A 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. This is minus 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 2. Then the cofactor of 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So 3, 1 is 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. We are getting, this is the cofactor matrix. Then after getting cofactor matrix of A, adjoint of A, this will be minus 1, 0, minus 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. So we are getting this. We know A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A. So this is equals to, determinant is minus 2, 1 by minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 2 we are getting. So which is equals to, if you multiply, this is 1 by 2, this is 1, this is minus 1 by 2. This will be 1 by 2, this is minus 1, and this will be plus 1 by 2. This is 0, this is minus 1, and this will be plus 1. So this is another process by which we are getting the determinant. The value of the determinant is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 half, 0 minus 1, 1. So a same determinant, a matrix, I have evaluated in two processes. The first process, we are getting this inverse. In the second process, we are also getting the same value. So this is A inverse. So the topic for today class is completed. I will meet you in my next class with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.